Imagine one AI tool where you can create images, generate music, produce videos, build mind maps, chat with PDFs, and access a full writing library for flawless content, all without switching apps or paying crazy fees. Introducing NinjaChat AI, your ultimate all-in-one AI super tool with multiple models, powerful tools, and easy workflows in one place. Let's go to Google and search for NinjaChat AI. Click the very first link. You'll also find this link in the video description. This is the homepage of NinjaChat AI, your all-in-one AI assistant. With this amazing tool, you can perform web searches, analyze data, generate content, and get instant answers. On the right side of the canvas, you'll see different features of NinjaChat AI. You can chat, generate images, create music, and even generate videos. There are also tools for mind mapping, flashcards, PDF chat, and a writing library. You can use NinjaChat AI for web searches, and you can also add your Google account for more features. Now click on Web Search. Here you can select the best option according to your needs. Options like Auto Web Search, Chatting, Finance, YouTube, and more. We'll go with Auto for now. In the description bar, type "What is Bitcoin?" and press Enter. NinjaChat AI will think for a moment and then generate content related to your query. Here you can see detailed information about Bitcoin, including key features, blockchain technology, and how to buy Bitcoin. It's amazing how easily you can get the information you need with this tool. Now let's create an image. Click on Image. Here you'll see different options for generating images. At the bottom of the canvas, you'll find several settings. First, click on Flux Pro Ultra. This lets you choose the best image generation model for your needs. Next, you can pick a color pattern. There are many to choose from, so select the one that fits your style. Then select the aspect ratio that works best for your image. After that, choose the image style. Options include photorealistic, anime, digital art, and oil painting. For this example, we'll use the photorealistic style. Now describe your image in the prompt bar. For example, type, "Create a man with his wife sitting at a park," and press Enter. It takes a few seconds to generate the image, so be patient. Once it's ready, you'll see a wonderful image created by NinjaChat AI. It's amazing how easily you can create high-quality images with this tool. You can also use different image generation models, enlarge the image for higher quality, download it, copy it, edit it, regenerate it, or even remove the background. If you want to regenerate the image, just click on Regenerate. It will take a few seconds, and once it's ready, you'll have a new high-quality image. Click Download Image to save it, then open it to see the result. With NinjaChat AI, creating high-quality photos is easy and effortless. Now let's generate music. Click on Music. Here you'll see different options for music generation at the bottom of the canvas. You can change the time duration, select different music models, and adjust advanced settings to fit your needs. In the prompt bar, type, "Create ambient soundscape music with ethereal pads, field recordings of nature, and subtle melodic elements." Then press Enter. It takes a few seconds to generate the music, so be patient. Once it's ready, you can play and listen to your new track. It's amazing how effortlessly you can create music with NinjaChat AI. You can also download your music easily. Next, let's generate a video. Click on Video. In the center of the screen, you'll see different prompt options, and at the bottom, you'll find various AI models for video generation. For this demonstration, we'll use Google VO3. You can also change settings as needed. In the prompt bar, type, "Create a serene Japanese garden with pale pink cherry blossoms gently falling in a springtime breeze, landing on a reflective koi pond with rippling water," and press Enter. It takes a few seconds to generate the video, so be patient. Once it's ready, you can play and watch your beautiful video. With NinjaChat AI, creating stunning videos is effortless. You can also adjust the time duration, upload a reference image, or add a negative prompt for more control. Now let's create a mind map. Click on Mind Map. Here you can turn your ideas into clear visualizations for better understanding. You can use a YouTube video, PDF file, website, or audio as the source for your mind map. For this demonstration, we'll use a website. Add the website link, click Add Website, and wait a few seconds for it to be added. Once it's ready, click Generate Mind Map. In a few seconds, NinjaChat AI will create a mind map, identifying key concepts. You'll see a beautiful, editable mind map that you can save as an image or share. This makes it easy to understand and organize information. You can also chat with PDF files using NinjaChat AI, making it easy to extract or summarize information. In the writing library, you'll find different AI writing tools such as a naturalizer, conclusion writer, professional email draft, and more. From now on, you don't need to buy separate AI tools for each task. With NinjaChat AI, you have everything in one place: image generation, music and video creation, mind mapping, PDF chat, and a writing library. NinjaChat AI is your best AI companion, making your work easy and effortless. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends. See you in the next video.